Hello everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Naidu. In this video, I will explain SAS Certified Specialist Based Programming using SAS 9.4 certification practice questions. So this is the question number 4 I'm going to explain. I have already explained some of the questions earlier. I'm just attaching that playlist onto this particular cards here on my on this video, and you can see those details in the description of this video also. I'm just attaching some useful links into below this video also, so please go through. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe clicking on that bell icon so that you will get the latest updates. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and your colleagues and hit a like button. And if you have any questions or comment, let me know in the comment section so that I'll reply back to you as soon as possible. So let's get started. So this is the question. So data work.temp is your data set name. So char1 is a variable which is there, and this is the program. We have it here. It's in a 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Chr2 is the new variable. You are creating it from the chr1, and here I'm applying the function called subster. If I apply the subster function, so what happened? We need to know that actually. So here the question is, um, what is the value for the chr2 variable in this? So as you already know that, what is the use of a subster function? Subster, it will get a part of information from your string. The string is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is your character string. Within that character, we want it a part of a string. Okay, if you want to get a part of a string, so we generally use subster. The question is here, what will be the answer? So we have a multiple choice questions in this particular certification exam, as I already covered in my first video, and 50% of the questions is your fill in the blanks questions, and 50% of the questions is multiple choice questions. So I'm just explaining in that point. So right now it is a multiple choice question. So what will be the right answer for this particular subster function when you run it, or what you are expecting as an output? So subset function, what it will do is it will extract a part of information. The part of information where it will start from third record. So the third record where it will, you can see it, that is your third letter. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and all. The third one 1 2 and 3, so that means 2 onwards. So it will start taking it from, and how many positions it will take it from there onwards? So 4 positions from there onwards. So starting position is 3, so 3 letter onwards. So that means the third letter of mine of your data is 2, 2 onwards 4 letters. That means 2 3 4 and 5. So wherever the answer is 2 3 4 and 5, that you will get it as an answer. So let me just get that answer. So now you can see that the answer is D. So that is your answer. D is the right answer here. What we will do is I'll prove this. This is right again. So how I can able to prove is I'll just do one thing. I'll just open my, first of all, I'll copy my program from here. So here what I will do is I'm just copying the program of mine, and then I'll go to my SAS and I'll paste it. So this is my program. So what I'll do is I'm just selecting this piece of code, what I have copied it, and I'm just selecting it, and I'm just running it now. Done. So now you can see that there is no errors also. Everything is perfect. So now you can see that. So I'm just reducing the font size a bit lower, and now you can see that everything is perfect. There is no error. First of all, it's not giving an error. At the same time, if you just see in your result also, you won't get it. So if you think that you want to print that what is the output for CHR2, you try writing it, or else you can do one thing. You can directly, instead of you writing something, go to your libraries. In the work library, the new data set is just got created, temp. You open it, the temp data set. Now you can see that chr1 variable value is what we have given. Chr2 variable value is 2 3 4 5. You will get it. So as I said, starting from the 2 onwards, so that means third letter onwards, so third, fourth, fifth and sixth letter. That means from there onwards it will take it to four digits from third position onwards. So it will take it, and this is the answer. So the answer is correct. D answer is 2, 3, 4, 5 is the correct answer. So we just done. That's it. That's all about for this particular question 4. I'm just done. And if you like this particular video, please click on like and share with your friends, and be subscribed to my channel. I will add a lot of videos in upcoming days, and so that no you will have a flavor of everything. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.